And I'm going to do that just real briefly because this is a special day and a special weekend to be here, right? This is the epicenter of an endless summer, right? We love being here. But you know, whether for good or for a hassle, you elected someone who likes to look at the meaning of things and the meaning behind things. And so when I look at our celebrations of culture, both in Carpinteria and Santa Barbara, I view it as a challenge, not just as a celebration, fun, but as a... Do we want them to be part of the fabric of this community? And just, you know, let's think about our background here. Our background isn't all that good on it. We celebrate once a year in downtown Santa Barbara Asian American Festival. We used to have a thriving African American population all over the east side of Santa Barbara and downtown.
Good, how are you?
But we exiled them through the prices of housing and the changes that happened in the community. Most of that population now lives in Lompoc or us. That was a part of our community. That still is traces and it's...
tener nuestra cultura hasta aquí en donde estamos. Recibamos a estas niñas con un fuerte aplauso. Esperamos ser de su agrado. Muchas gracias. El jarabe que van a presentar es el jarabe del Valle, las chinas oaxaqueñas de Tuxtepec, perdón, disculpe, de las valles centrales de Oaxaca. Fuerte aplauso para Danza Flor Bonita. Our heart of the group is the drummer. If there is any questions, you can contact Gustavo López. Buenas tardes a todos. Somos el grupo de danza de María Estrella del Mar. Venimos de Oxnard. Hace 22 años existe este grupo, actualmente es una nueva generación. El alma de nuestro grupo es el tamborero. Para cualquier pregunta puede contactar a Gustavo López. Gracias.
of the ancient Tibetan Buddhist masters. As a small child, we're just so lucky to have him here in our community. As a small child, Teppo escaped from communist China with Tibetan lamas. As a young man, Teppo cared for sacred libraries in Dharamsala, India, and accompanied His Holiness the Dalai Lama on his first trip to America. He's a great example for all of us of compassion and love straight from the great Himalayas. I guess he likes it here because now it'd be impossible to imagine Santa Barbara without our dear Rinpoche Tulku helping make it a place of kindness. He will now share with us about the nature of impermanence. They've been creating a sand mandala, and that helps us to truly appreciate and embrace all that we have. Rinpoche Tulku.
Oh, thank you so much for Veggie Express introducing me. But I'm just human being, same as you all. We're all looking for peace. We're not looking for any suffering. We're looking for happiness. So we all come here together to be happy life and meaningful life and successful life. What is the meaningful life? There are two different categories. One is mentally, one is physically. The physically, everything is we can work hard, we can whatever we want, we can achieve. Mentally, happiness is the most important. To have the mental problem that is creating all the world suffering. That is including the ignorance, anger, jealous, all these mental problems will create the problem in this world. So we have to generate our compassion, love each other in this world. This world is one world and one human being. There is no difference, rich or poor. Everybody want to be happiness. If the purpose of life is happiness, to have a happiness, we all have to work together energy to save this world. First of all, we need the world have to be safe. We have to be a healthy world. To have a healthy world, we need to have a good environmental. We have to save the greens. We have to save the water. We have the good water, pure water, save the energy. All those will be most important to our life to survive and peaceful. So please, we all together, not only from family, from the community, from the nation, from the international. We know the global, one global. We have to understanding, without a global happiness, we cannot be achieved happiness. We all are independent. We all depend each other. So please, from now, we all have to be motivation to be have to be sister and a brother. We all are same human being. Not only human being, we also save the animals. Those animals, sentient beings, all our mother sentient beings. And according to our Buddhist philosophy, all sentient beings are our mother. All sentient beings are our happiness, the cause of happiness. So we have to understanding we all the same human being and sister and brothers. So please, thank you for especially invite me to join with this very special art and culture, and especially what we call a DRD Los Muertos, and that is one of the significance of the impermanent, what I believe. So we have to understanding this this is not from now, it's from the Chumash, from the many centuries. They have a philosophy about impermanent, independable, and all will be united together and peace. So thank you for keep your mind, be simple, if you can help, please help to each other. If you can't help, do not harm to anybody. Very much. Thank you so much. So please, Lamas can join here. I'm introducing we have a very special Santa Barbara Bhutanese family here going to perform part of the participant and part of your culture and art. Head of the performance, and the Lobsang will be explain about the dance and they will continue. Thank you.
Good afternoon. So we are from Bhutan originally. So some of might be knowing where Bhutan is. So it is in the middle of the Himalaya ranges. It's a small hidden land. We have a king, we have a government, and we are dedicating towards the peace and happiness of all the people in Bhutan. So we are here to perform one song, one dance from the culture that we have in Bhutan. So we are very fortunate to have been invited by Lisa and her team today. So this is the first time ever we are performing in with this event. So we are hoping to get more often this kind of opportunity in the years, and then we are always looking forward to present and then our culture to the community. So just to give you a brief about Bhutan once again, it is a country of South Asia located in the southern end of the eastern Himalaya. So if you look at right now, so it is 8,000 miles from California, and it takes 24 hours to reach there. So there's no direct flight, so you have to take stopover flights, and then it takes a long time to reach there. So it is on the other side of the world. So anyway, we are very fortunate to have present one song, one dance for you guys. And then I have my sons here, and actually our family performance today for you guys. So we are happy to give you one Bhutanese dance right now. Thank you. Have enjoyed.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.